What's up? What's up? So check this out. You guys already know about the loss in my family. My perrito was my king. Jesus is my king, but my perrito here in my world is my king. I have my other ones. Yes, my little queen, my little king. But this guy is special. He was my ride or die little vato. I mean, he warned me when there was things going on and I didn't even recognize because I was foolish. But anyways, I want you guys to know. And I got to remind you guys, I have to come back on my page and remind you guys, do not forget who you are. Do not remember who you are. Your sons and daughters of God. Allow your hearts to expand. Learn what compassion is, not only with your family, not only with your friends, but with things that are life. Remember, God is in every little thing. We just got to recognize, see. Okay, so you guys got to remember, we got to keep it 1,000 with the mundo. Shoo!